Subscribe AspDotNet tutorial channel and press the bell icon for latest update videos.
Hi friends, welcome to my channel AspDotNet tutorials. Welcome friends to SQL tutorial series. So friends, today we have learned full join query in SQL Server 2017. So friends, let's start. So friends, first we have open a DB and new query and write a select command. Let's start from TBL student and select star from TBL books. Both are tables. Execute, select and execute. You can see friends, stdid are common. So friends, here write a full join query. Select first name and second table is books name from TBL student on full join TBL books on TBL student.std is equal to TBL books dot stdid. So friends, we execute book name, not a table name, books name. So friends, we execute this query. So friends, you can see this. You can write a all columns name and will show here, execute and show here. So I hope friends you like the videos. If you like the videos, then please like, share and subscribe, and latest videos updates press the bell icon. For information like my Facebook, follow on Instagram and Twitter, join my Google Plus community. If you have any query friends, you can ask me in comment or email, and visit my website www.asp.nettutorials.com. and thank you for watching videos.